Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We English Educations text and group consisting of myself, Ana Septiani, Anissa Fadilah Haya, Anissa Syahida, Amelia Inayah. Strike 2. Journal Analysis. A. Identity Journal. 1. Of Journal of American Educational Research Journal. 2. Volume 1. 3. Number 9. 4. Publications 2013. 5. Writer's name Kola Aina and Alexander. B. Main idea of journal. English language proficiency can greatly affect a student's academic performance in the course. Therefore, it is very important to always ensure that students admitted to this course have good English skills. It was also observed that students in science education, however, it may be difficult to generalize this finding unless further research is conducted.
Next, I will read about the advantage and disadvantage. Deficiency. 1. The journal article does not mention the target place or scope for researchers to conduct research. 2. There is not complete discussion of the research method, so the result research cannot be understood. 3. The conclusion in the article is still unclear because it does not re-explain the conclusion from the research result. Advantage 1. The method applied is appropriate. 2. There are suggestions for recommendation that can be made for those aimed at the object of researchers in solving existing problems. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amelia Inayah. I will explain about the method of the journal. The method used in the journal is the quantitative method. With the data set steps as follows. Step 1. Formulate a problems. From the topic of the problem under study and the existing theory, the formulation of the problem that can be obtained are: A. Does students' performance in English language have any relationship with science education course? B. Does students' performance in English language have any relationship with technical education course? C. Is there any difference between students' performance in English language based on science and technical education course? Step 2. Formulating hypothesis. 2 null hypotheses that will be tested are: H01. There is no significant difference in performance of students who fail English language and those who pass in science subject. H02. There is no significant difference in performance of students who fail English language and those who pass in the technical subject. Step 3. Data collection. Table 1. Correlation between English language and science. Table 2. Correlation between English language and technical. Table 3. Mean score of English language in technical and science education. Table 4. Mean score of student performance in English and in science education. Table 5. T-test analysis of performance in science education based on performance in English. Table 6. Mean score of students' performance in English technical education. Table 7. T-test analysis of performance in technical subject based on performance in English. The results from the existing table have been explained in the journal. Step 4. Analysis data. It could thus be inferred from the above finding that proficiency in English language is required for all students in science and technical education. Vehemently, English language proficiency could go a long way in affecting students' academic performance in both science and technical education courses for English language in the gateway to educational advancement. The more reason referred to English language as the language of a cipher and then the language count as for rising up and being a member of the elite class is concerned. Students who understand that do strive to do well in English language as this invariably affect their performance in other subjects. Step 5. Conclusion. In view of the finding of the study, it is enough to conclude that proficiency in English language is strongly related to student academic performance in science and technical education. Students in technical education are better than those in science education because their mean score are higher and those of science education in the same English language examination.
The purpose of this journal is to find out the relationship between language skill and academic achievement. In the journal written in Nigeria, when language proficiency is high, it will definitely affect the academic performance of the student. English education in science and engineering students require it in practical learning. After doing the research, it was concluded that English language proficiency is closely related to academic achievement. The author suggests that schools pay more attention to the use of English in Nigeria. Thanks for your attention. Sorry for our mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.